as a beginner, when we start C programming in Visual Studio Code, we start typing like this, and this is my C program, and I was executing this. I just typed it, I installed GCC compiler in it, and now I'm just going to run the application, but it is not working. When I'm clicking on the file, it is executing, it is saying build finished successfully and all, but I'm not getting my output. I should get an output. For example, I'm printing a M value, I should get that, but in this case it is not going to work. Why? The reason behind is this thing you have to always and always remember whenever you are working on some particular programming in Visual Studio Code, whether it's C, whether it's C++, whether it's Python, there is a one particular extension which you have to install before doing this. So what you will do, there is a left hand side portion, there is one particular tool which is called as extension. You will just click on the extension. There is one thing called as, you just type code and you will get something like that. If I just type it code runner again, so there is a one thing called as code runner, and you have to just click on that. You have to install it before running any program in your Visual Studio Code. That means code runner is very important. You have to install this extension because this is not inbuilt in Visual Studio Code. You have to install this extension, and you just close this. This is installed now because it is showing that uninstall. Just close this, and now just try to see, there will be the one more option with it, run code, and just click on the run code. Now you will be able to get the output which you want. Just close this extension again. These are the toggle switches. Once you click, then it will be open. Once you close, that is closing. Now if you try to run it with the play button also, you will get the same output. Just click on this, and then it is building successfully. And after all this building of the program, now if you just try to run the code and you will say run the code, now it will give you the value 8. So again it is giving you the value 8 for the first case also, for the second case also, right? So this is important thing which you have to run, and this is the reason your programs in C or C++ was not working earlier. So this was the reason. So remember this thing before going for any programming in Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching. If you really find this useful, share it with your friends, like the video, subscribe the channel. See you in next chapter. Thank you so much.